Hi, my name is Dhananjay Gokhale. People call me DG. Certificate course in developing positivity through Ganapati Atharva Shirsha. Now, the name of this course itself is raising eyebrows of many people. What are the contents of the course? What's the coverage of the course? What are the learning objectives? What are the timings? How many sessions will I cover? Why Ganapati Atharva Shirsha? What is this Ganapati Atharva Shirsha? How is it connected with the positivity? How the dialogue with self is connected with Atharva Shirsha and vice versa? There are lots of questions, and I believe that this particular video will help you seek answers of all these questions, and it will also help you to decide joining this particular course. We are all human beings, and a human being continuously is engaged in a dialogue. A dialogue happens externally or dialogue happens within. And it's a surprising fact that more than 50% of the time that a human being is awake is engaged in a dialogue with self. So you can imagine the impact of the self-dialogue on the life of a human being. The way the dialogue with the self is, the way the life is. And hence, the dialogue with self must be made positive. It will not happen positive on its own. We have to make it positive systematically, and this particular workshop is fundamentally dedicated to learn the tricks and techniques to make the dialogue with self positive in a systematic way. It's an experiential learning course to unlock the self. Most of the people feel that Ganapati Atharva Shirsha is a praise of Lord Ganapati. In the course we will get to know that it is fundamentally the description of the competencies that every human being has. Competency means ability to perform, and Atharva Shirsha lists more than 50 abilities of every human being. Atharva Shirsha is a sukta that is recited for myself to make me aware about the competencies and the abilities that I have. So the fundamental objective of this particular course is one, to be able to recite at least 25% of the Atharva Shirsha. The second, very important objective, to be able to assess the application of the competencies, and we will derive competency application index. Now let me give you an example. In Atharva Shirsha, there is one rucha. A rucha means verse, a line, a small line. A rucha goes like this: Ava Vaktaram. Ava means to protect or to take care of. Vaktaram means a speaker, somebody who wants to communicate, somebody who wants to send some message. Avavaktaram, its literal meaning is to protect or to take care of the speaker. Now, when we go through this particular workshop, we not only recite this particular verse like Avavaktaram. What is the meaning of this? I have the ability to speak in a way that is unobtrusive, that is genuine, that is beneficial, and yet pleasing. And it is a communication by me to me. Now, to assess this particular competency, we will ask some questions which are related to the behavior. Let's see those questions. Do I communicate without anxiety? Do I ensure that the meaning of the words is common to both me and the listener? Do I speak for the betterment of the people? Do I transform the content so that it makes more sense to the listener or receiver of the message? Do I communicate being honest to my work? Do I listen to my own voice while I speak? Do I keep notes for reference? And now we will assess the behaviors. I have created a reverse swing scale. If these behaviors take place very rarely, then you score 1. If this behavior you are not aware about, then you score 2. If this behavior takes place only when you are alert or people are watching you, then you will score 3. And you will score 4 when this behavior, it happens as if it's your second nature. Now let's assess the behavior that we have already crafted in terms of questions. There is one question where I have assessed the behavior score as 4. There are 2 behaviors where I have marked score 1, which is very rarely that happens. And there is one behavior which I have marked 2. I don't know that I have to pay attention to my own voice when I speak. Now when you total this up, the total comes to be 17. Now there are 7 behavior oriented questions. Each question you can rate maximum 4. That means total maximum score obtainable is 28. Your score is 17. So 17 by 28, which is 0.6. That means competency application index is 0.6. So on the verse avavaktaram, which is actually a definition of the competency of a speaker, I am 0.6. This is how we assess the behavior based on the competencies. And remember, there are no pressures in this particular course. Even if we are able to assess one competency application index per session, that itself will be sufficient. So the objective is to be able to assess the competency application index for 7 to 8 competencies. That's all. What is the structure of this course? There are 2 parts of this particular course. One is the virtual live sessions. The live sessions is of 75 minutes including question and answer. And second is the DG Edutainment LMS. LMS stands for Learning Management System, where you see lots of videos, lots of PDF and audios, and each section has some quizzes. The total course is of 8 such sessions, that means almost 4 weeks. Crossing 300 people by now we have interacted with. Almost each one of them have told us a wonderful, phenomenal quizzes and wonderful videos and PDFs and audio material that we have given. The idea is to make use of this particular rhyme, the Sukta, for our own betterment. People ask me, why am I doing something that I am doing? I must share the mission and the vision. It is we ourselves lock ourselves. Nobody else externally can limit our performances or limit our competencies. The competencies are given. It is we who do not speak with ourselves in a very systematic positive manner, and hence many competencies go unlocked, unused. So the mission is to make people introspect, make people speak with themselves, so that we can unfold the competencies and we can unlock the self. With this mission, the vision is to reach 2100 people by the end of December 2021. 2100 by 2021. I am sure that you have liked this particular video. If you have any questions, you can contact me. The number is there in the video. The course dates, the upcoming batches, the timings, the fees are there in the message that is there with the video. Thank you so much. See you soon in the course. Bye-bye.